Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making the Mango Lassi of Truth from the Wonder Woman cookbook. The ingredients are very simple. All we're going to need are 2 cups of frozen mango chunks, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, a half of a cup of whole milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar plus a pinch of salt, and then at the end we're going to garnish it with a little dash of cinnamon. Those are all ingredients, and all we need to do is add them into a blender and get these blended up. I'm going to start by adding my milk into my blender first. I think that will just give me a little bit of lubrication down at the bottom to help start breaking up these mango chunks. I'm going to put my mangoes in next. Followed by the sugar and the pinch of salt. And then last, I'm going to top it off with the yogurt. Alright guys, I've ended up with 2 servings of our Mango Lassi. The only thing I have left to do is to give it a little tiny sprinkle of our cinnamon. And now we can try this thing and see what it tastes like. I really do like this. It's very thick and refreshing, especially as it's a really hot day outside. I definitely am going to be making this one again. A little bit thick right now for my straw, so I think in the future I would definitely add just a tiny bit more milk just so it's a little bit easier to drink. But overall, this is incredibly good. I could see this actually being substituted out for several different kinds of fruit. I think cherries would be really good in this as well if you wanted to change it up from time to time. But that is going to be our Mango Lassi of Truth from the Wonder Woman cookbook. You will find this recipe as well as many others over on the Gamers and Geeks playlist. It's a community-driven playlist made up of you, our friends and YouTube family. You can find a link to the playlist down in the description. If you would like to be a part of it, all you have to do is let me know down below in the comments section, and I will be more than happy to let you know how you can be a part of the Gamers and Geeks playlist. Well, that is going to be it for me for the day. If you guys have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you guys tried this recipe out, let me know how it turns out for you. Remember to check out the Gamers and Geeks playlist as well as my other Wonder Woman cooking videos. I will leave links down in the description to them. And as always, thank y'all so very much for joining me today. I've been Vault Girl. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.